Understanding and measuring the passage of time already played an important role in ancient farming and in the lives of Understanding and measuring the passage of time already played an important role in ancient farming and in the lives of agricultural peoples. The first calendars appeared at the same time as the emergence of writing and the development of mathematics and astronomy. They contained the fundamental units for measuring time: day, month, and year. The year is a fundamental unit for measuring time. There is a distinction between a sidereal year and a calendar year. A sidereal year is the time it takes for the Earth to complete one revolution of its orbit, as measured against the fixed stars. A calendar year is made up of all the days contained in the sidereal year. While a normal year has 365 days, a leap year consists of 366 days. Another fundamental unit for measuring time is the month. A month is the period of a complete revolution of the moon around the Earth. This period is difficult to describe, and the period of a cycle is not constant. Still, in calendars, for example in our Gregorian calendar, a month is made up of entire days, and a calendar year is divided into 12 months. The third fundamental unit for measuring time is the day. A day, an astronomical unit of time, is the span of time it takes for the Earth to make one entire rotation. A calendar month can be either 28, 30, or 31 days. February usually has 28 days, and 29 in leap year. One of the most ancient devices for measuring time is the sundial. According to written sources, it was already used by the ancient Greeks. There are several types of sundials. On the horizontal sundial, the stylus is parallel to the axis of the Earth. Since the gnomon is not perpendicular to the surface of the sundial, its shadow will not move at a uniform rate during the day, making it more difficult to mark the hour lines. As the sun moves across the sky, the shadow edge of the gnomon aligns with the different hour lines, indicating the correct time. Even in the Middle Ages, sundials were still considered the most precise time-measuring device. When and where the first hourglass appeared is uncertain. It is certain, however, that it was widely used in the 16th century. The hourglass consists of two vertical glass bulbs of equal size mounted on with markings